Better without eyeglasses because my ring light is reflecting on it. Yeah, it's better without eyeglasses. I think. Oh no, it's too. Wow. Hi guys, it's Chris. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hi guys, how are you today? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I make my own facial scrub. It is very easy to make. It is only made up of 2 ingredients. The first is the organic coconut oil and the second is sodium bicarbonate. I will just mix the 2 of them together and it's ready. But first, because it is winter, the coconut oil tend to become solid, so I have to melt it in a warm water. So it's ready, so I can mix them together. And this container, it is from my old body cream, but I just clean it and so that I can use it to put my homemade facial scrub. And now I'm gonna show you how I make it. It is very easy. Okay, I made a hole. I will just put a half cup of coconut oil. Okay, that's it. And then first I will put the first packet inside the container, and then I will just slowly pour the coconut oil and mix it a little by little, just like that. And then the second packet. And then I will pour again the coconut oil. Mix it well together. And this scrub is very good for a sensitive skin and for someone with pimples. Now it's mixed. It's very simple and very easy to make. It's look like this. It's look like a paste. And I'm gonna use it for 1 month. I've been using this facial scrub since 2019. Yeah, since 2019, because one of my friends told me that she's using it and it's very good on the skin. It will make your skin so soft and glowing. And before, I used to have a lot of pimples, but since I started using this facial scrub, my pimples are gone. So this is my lifesaver. I am very happy that my friend told me about it, and I will continue using it as long as I can. And also, it is very good. You can also use it as a body scrub, like in your underarm and everything on your feet. You can also put this. Another tips is you can also use it as a deodorant. Can you believe that? You will just scrub it in your underarm, leave it for like 2 to 3 minutes, and rinse off, and that's okay. You don't need to put deodorant anymore. And it's all natural. And organic. So why not try it? You can also try it. I also have a very sensitive skin. That's why when my friend told me before to try it, I was kind of skeptical to try it, because I'm afraid that my pimples will it will cause breakout on my face, and I will have a lot of pimples. But the opposite happened. It made my skin glowing, and the scars, my pimple scars, old scars from my pimples are gone. If you gonna try it, please drop your comment in the comment section, and I'm gonna be happy to share more of my natural beauty tips and homemade beauty tips that you can only find in your kitchen. Bye bye, that's all for today, and thank you for tuning in and for watching all my videos, and I hope that you subscribe and like and share my videos. Thank you so much. I love you all. Shalom.
I also want to thank all my supporters, Kian Sail Gaming, Jackie Pinay and Luxembourg, Benayov's Fun Blog, Jaboy Cowboy, Jerry Jamila Vlogs, BBQ37 TV, Sweet Melaine Palmares, Lloyd Rain Vlogs, Losky79 Official, Mayas Winkle, Kate Justin Reyes, Sweet Canadian Fun Blog, and Miss Banana.